Are you looking for the best Memorial Day grill sales? In this video we will look at some of the best Memorial Day grill sales. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Z-Grill's 700D 4E Pellet Grill. While this is technically a 2022 model, the upgraded version of Z-Grill's flagship pellet grill is one of the best smokers you can buy. Vetted's deputy editor Dave Johnson uses this very model in his backyard. It features a smart pellet loader with an integrated clean-out system, a pair of temperature probes and dual-walled construction. Save just about 20% on this model right now. Advanced PID technology maintain an incredibly steady temperature throughout your cook. Included 2 temperature probes let you conveniently check food temperatures on the large LCD control panel without lifting the lid. Number 2. Cuisinart Portable Charcoal Grill. After spending the past couple summers at home, you might be ready to go on a vacation. But even if you're traveling somewhere new, you won't have to miss out on all the grilling action. Small enough to fit on a table, this portable charcoal option makes it easy to get your grill on anytime, anywhere. Simply place it in the trunk of your car and pack all your favorite barbecue accessories. 196 square inch chrome-plated grate. The 196 square inch chrome-plated cooking rack gives a spacious cooking surface, is able to accommodate lots of food at one time while still distributing heat evenly and efficiently. Dual venting system. Features a dual venting system, giving you the ultimate charcoal management and temperature control. 3 secure lid locks. The grill features 3 secure lid locks for easy and safe transport. Compact enough to take anywhere, measures 14 by 14 by 15 inches and weighs only 2 pounds, making it easy for transport and ideal for decks, patios and balconies, camping, tailgating and more. Enamel-coated firebox and ASH catcher. Features a durable enamel-coated firebox and convenient mess-free ash catcher for safety and ease. Number 3. Char-Griller Akorn Jr. Kamado grills can cost you an arm and a leg, but the CharGriller Acorn Jr. Kamado represents a great value even when it isn't on sale. This all-in-one charcoal grill and smoker features dual air dampers, a temperature gauge, easy lift handles and triple-walled insulation to seal in heat and flavors, plus it weighs only 40 pounds. A 7% discount drops the sticker price down to a digestible $168. Easy dump ash pan. Easy mobility. Holds heat like ceramic. Even heat. Triple wall steel. Dual dampers. 14-inch cooking diameter. Heat gauge. Number 4. FireSense Notebook Charcoal Grill. Perfect for optimal portability, the FireSense Notebook Grill stands a mere 13 inches high when it's in use, but it measures only 1 inch thick when folded away to save space in your car, garage, or backpack. Complete with charcoal and grill racks, it currently costs less than a tank of gas thanks to a 27% discount. FireSense Black Notebook Grill. We are pleased to offer the finest in contemporary design and quality in the notebook grill. The notebook grill is the perfect portable grill. The clever design allows this unit to stand 13 inches high for use and then fold to 1 inch flat in seconds. This mini grill comes with a rack and grill rack included. Constructed of high heat-resistant painted steel, this sturdy grill folds flat to create its own carrying case. This charcoal barbecue grill can be folded up in an instant for easy portability. Features: patented fold-open design, compact folding cooking grates, easy to store, high-temperature paint, super slim and lightweight portable grill. This portable grill is made from high heat-resistant painted steel. Number 5. George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill. George Foreman's legendary cooktops are still prepping platters after decades on the market, and this electric model is currently about 10% off for a savings of $12. The elevated, non-stick grill features adjustable temperature controls and a removable stand, and because it's electric, you can use it indoors or out depending on the occasion. George Tough Non-Stick Coating. There's a lot to love about this non-stick coating. It's durable, easy to clean and removes the need for butter and oil. Removable stand. Don't let the weather keep you from the glory of grilling. The easy-to-remove stand takes you from patio to countertop in no time. Adjustable temperature control. Perfect heat is the secret ingredient. The temperature probe lets you choose from 5 heat settings to get great results on any kind of food. Apartment approved. Your landlord will love this grill just as much as you do. The fully electric system gives you high quality grilling with no charcoal, no propane, and no flare-ups. Fat removing slope. It's the sure sign of a George Foreman grill. The sloped grilling surface helps remove up to 42% of fat. For tasty meals.